Tonight, we follow the sound of water through the Roman world. Not rushing water, not dramatic water, steady water. Water guided by stone, slope, and patient engineering. Roman aqueducts were not only arches. Most of the route was hidden underground, where channels stayed cool and protected. Engineers used a tiny downward gradient, often just a few centimeters across long distances. Too steep, and water would damage the channel. Too flat, and it would stop. Surveyors measured with simple tools and careful repetition. Workers cut through hills, built tunnels, and lined channels with waterproof mortar. Where valleys interrupted the route, bridges of arches carried the channel across open air. Those arches were beautiful, but they were also practical, strong, modular, and reparable. Cities depended on this system. Public fountains, baths, workshops, and homes all drew from shared infrastructure. Water did not arrive by chance. It arrived because someone planned the source, the path, the maintenance, and the distribution. Inside the city, settling tanks helped clear sediment. Stone channels were inspected and cleaned. Local crews handled repairs, because a neglected aqueduct quickly became a failing one. Roman engineering looked permanent, but it survived through maintenance. In quiet ways, aqueducts changed daily life. They reduced the distance between people and clean water. They supported hygiene, craft, and trade. They turned geography into routine comfort. And perhaps that is their deepest lesson: enduring systems are usually calm systems. No spectacle, just reliability. No miracle, just discipline repeated over years. As you rest, imagine moonlight over old stone, water moving through channels built with care, and a city sleeping confidently, because someone made tomorrow dependable.